In this video, we will speak about AutoCAD. Everybody work in the 3D. He must know that AutoCAD. AutoCAD is very famous and familiar, and too much people work by it. If you have a plan as 2D in the AutoCAD and you need to make it in the Revit, you must make linking between the Revit and the AutoCAD. So we will go to insert and make link CAD from here. We speak before about link Revit, and we speak about link Revit when we speak about how to select. Here, if I have any one from this as link, if I make uncheck, I can't make it make uncheck for select links. I can't make a change for it, and this is very useful because it be my reference. So now if you go here in the insert, you will find link and import. In the link CAD, and in the import CAD also. The difference between this, if you import CAD, it is like a picture but have a snap, and as you say, too much properties you can work on it. But if you have link, if you return to your link CAD and make modify and close your project Revit project and open it again, it will be appear. I will tell you everything about link CAD and import CAD now. The first thing, you must go to AutoCAD for this, and there is the origin 0 and 0 for X and Y, so it must be appear in your drawing. If you're drawing this and somewhere here, you must move this to this point 0 and 0, the origin. But take care, for me I make this. For you, maybe you take another one, no problem. The other thing you need to make, you make DI distance and click enter and make how much this will, as example, take care this 0.2. This means the unit, it will be meter. This is very important to not make error in Revit. Sometimes you make import and it is not coming, because you must know which unit you make. Distance for me this by meter, so I write UN units, click enter and go here and make this meters. Okay, if this millimeters and you draw by meter, it may be problem. For you, I will make Control Z here and make save and close AutoCAD link 1. Okay, this AutoCAD link 1 update. The difference between them, I make shift for this only to check something. Say this is shifted too much and I make move for this side. I will close this and go to Revit. I will go to insert. If I am in architecture, I will go to insert and make link CAD. Just I click it, I will check where I need my file. For me, I need AutoCAD link 1. This one for me. There is some option you need to make here. The first thing you speak about what file type. For me is DWG AutoCAD extend. Here is the color invert and there is otherwise. For us, you can make brick black and white and it not be appear, and perceive he will bring the same, you highlight here the same layers by the same color, or invert, and this is the best one of it. For here he speak about the layer and the level, and this appear in the AutoCAD. Inside AutoCAD there is layer and too much. For you, I can make all. If you need to make satisfy and click here, he will open for you the layer in AutoCAD and you can check or no check. From here you can put the unit or auto tick is okay. Here collect lines that are slightly off of X. If any problem in AutoCAD, he can solve it. Here something I will speak about by one. From here is current view only. This means if I click here, I am in level 1. I don't see this only in level 1. I need this. Okay. For me, I will start by this. Take care what's happened. This is the position. Auto center to center. Center for what and center for what? Center for the import. What you import AutoCAD. The center of AutoCAD file. To the center of the Revit. I will click OK. Take care. he make automatic the center of AutoCAD. I make delete. From here, this one, I make center to center or origin to origin. Origin of what? Of CAD to origin to our Revit. Take care what's happened. He makes slightly here. Why? Because in the AutoCAD I make the origin here. So he makes the center of origin for the center of our Revit. Take care, you can move this. No, you can move because it is when enter he put it pin, because you must be pin because it's your reference, because you may have another DWG on the other flooring, so you must make pin. If you need to move, you can move from here or pin or unpin. The other thing we speak about is about select. You can make here. Now you can select it. Okay, if you go here, it will be select. I will delete. Sorry. First, I need to unpin and delete. I make link. I will the same thing. I will open this and the other manual. This manual origin and center. He will make first time. He will. If I make origin, take care what's happened. He give me the origin, this place, and make it is manual for me, and I don't like this. Okay. For me, I will take this and make center to center or origin to origin. I make center to center. And from here, if you need to check this what meaning, take care what's happened if I make this. Receive, take care, he will give me the same color in the AutoCAD. If it is okay for you, okay, but for me, I don't see it. Say it's not good to see it. So I make Control N and I make delete, I'm sorry. I select AutoCAD and I make invert. Take care. This is the best thing you can use. Just you make it. You can make bin if it is not bin. Like this to not move. After this, you can start to draw. I go to architecture and draw. Draw what? For me, I will take basic wall. I make it 200. I make it from select one from this and make edit type. Or you can make duplicate and rename. And after you rename, you go to structure and put here the thickness. For me, I make this. Okay. Just I take it. I take center rule. And from here the height, and you make level 2, and as you know you must disallow. And take care when you make there is a snap. This is very useful for you. If you make snap, you can make like this completely, or you can make from here, from this center here, from here, and after this you can make by fill it if you need. The same thing for the interior, you can make it. Take care, I will make this also to understand something. Here is what. This is the boundary for our DWG. If I make any update in the DWG, I can make update from insert and I go to link manage. I go to CAD format, take care this link one. I make a reload if I need to update, or if I need to change the file, I make update here. I can select from here and make okay. Take care what's happened. Say he make little change here. This means he not make link between what you draw and the AutoCAD. No, he make the link about this picture and this picture in AutoCAD. I will give you another example to understand. I take care what this link one. If I go to delete this now and I make link CAD for AutoCAD 1 and I make it center to center as I need. Okay, I make okay here. I will go now to this link one and I bought anything as I need. As example, if I need wall here and make this like this and close. Take care what happened. This link one, I make save and close. And I will open Revit. Here, I finish my work and I need to close this. What's the name of this? Adding wool. I need to close this. Now, okay. I go here and open add wools. Care what's happened. He make update for this part. This is the mean of link. If you insert this one as import CAD and you make any change in import CAD, it not appear here when you close and open. And sometimes you will need to make, for me, for check and to be careful, you must every time if you open your Revit, you go to link manage and make reload for it to be in the safe side. The video is finished. Thank you. See you in another video.